This is a quick introduction to navigation using sentencing guidelines upon an Android tablet. When your tablet's displayed in a landscape format, the list of menu items, or the judicial indexes, are displayed on the left-hand side. You also have a list of options available at the top of the screen, and there's a little three-button symbol which gives you access to additional tools which don't fit upon the top toolbar. So to switch between different indexes, you simply select the index on the left-hand side, and the content is displayed on the right-hand side. And you can scroll through the list of different indexes by moving that left-hand part upwards and downwards. If your tablet is rotated, the menu disappears from the application, meaning that you must use the back key to return to the menu of judicial indexes. So clicking the back button takes us back to the index, and we can then select, for example, a different judicial index. So clicking on pronouncements will display the default pronouncements. In this case, it's adult. If we needed a different pronouncement set, we can click this bottom control symbol to display adult, adult directions, Welsh adult, family youth, and Welsh youth. So to return back to a different menu, we just click the back button. It takes us back to the list of indexes where we can select a different judicial index for reference. And again, switching back to landscape from portrait, the application will automatically switch back to this format. However, using the application in landscape format doesn't always work too well with some of the utilities and tools. So, for example, the fines calculator looks fine on screen. However, when the keyboard then displays, we find a large part of the fine calculator is overridden by the keyboard control. So we can still use this. So we could, for example, move into the income field. We could enter for instance, a monthly income. And then we can collapse the keyboard from this screen using the down arrow symbol. But it might be easier to use this particular utility in portrait mode, so that when the keyboard is on screen, it doesn't overlap the fine calculator. So that's an important point. Some of the utilities are better used in a portrait format so that we have the utility and the keyboard on screen.